polygamy, is it by choice or by force? Let's start. Some of you know what polygamy is. Polygamy is a man marrying more than one wife. Understand? Like in olden days, having a more than one wife, that means it must consider a weighty, but you must pay the bride price. Understand? Okay, let us look in a religious way. For example, Islam, Christian, and the tradition. Let's first start with Islam. Islam is option for four wives. You must marry like four wives. That's that is their own belief. And in those wives, you must treat everybody equal. You must provide for everybody. And you must not love more than the other one. You must love all of them equal. Islam accepts. In a Christian way, Christian accepts, but there is some understand, there's some misconception. Like for example, when missionary enter Africa, when they came Africa, they saw that Africa is already practicing polygamy. So they said now they can now make Ima divorce his wife. So they still accept polygamous. But some Christian doesn't accept due to their own personal belief. Understand? Okay, if you come to tradition, they accept polygamy because all those things they are worshiping, all those gods, they see it as having a polygamy is a blessing because it's having a big family, it's having a big family. Understand? That is a blessing in the land that's multiplying. Understand? Okay, let us look in city and village aspects where polygamy is good. In a city, polygamy doesn't make sense because it requires a lot of funds, requires a lot of money. In a village, it makes sense. You understand? It makes sense in a village. That's another thing you need to understand is that as this Gen Z is going to school, they are exposing in different things. You see that woman will choose in career and choose one husband because they don't want to share their career and their husband with someone. You understand? Because if you look at in olden days, the reason why polygamy exists because of more work and more food. Because husband wants have more children in order to assist them in farming, and the work and the wife too in order to assist them for all this house chores. Like one will be cooking, one will be washing clothes. But now, what you need to consider is polygamy is a choice, it's not a force. Understand? It depends on how the woman wants it. Understand? They are not forcing woman, and the man too, they are not forcing it. It's a choice. And all this religion they accept polygamy